girl J with the I, now with the Y. Back with another video. I don't really want to post today. I'm not in a good mood. I'm really actually irritated as hell. But hey, I gotta make sure I keep posting content for my subscribers because I owe that to you guys. But y'all know I don't eat fast food. I really don't like fast food, but I'm doing a Popeyes mukbang because I just left the hospital with my son and I wasn't gonna have time to cook dinner and I was just so hungry. And I seen my cousin Kai eat Popeyes and it was just looking so fire. So, and I don't like Popeyes if it ain't fresh, and I had to drive all the way back and whatever. I don't know where my straw is, but my husband got Burgerville, so I got a shake from Burgerville. Drunk halfway of it. Then I got my sweet tea. They did not give me a straw. I got the Popeyes $10 box or whatever. Half spicy, half medium. And then some onion rings for a side. And then I got some fries. And biscuit. Thank you. Is this your straw?
No, well, what's my drink?
You gave me your dad's straw?
I had 2 straws.
That was a fake straw. If you for your milkshake, you could just use this straw. If it's for your milkshake.
Alright.
Cause I don't think I'm drinking more of it. I was gonna be confused.
No, you
The rest of the milkshake, you want it?
look like they have not
But anyways, I got some sweet heat sauce. Some barbecue. Barbecue. Yeah, get a straw for it. Y'all gonna hear my family all through this video
You
because
said you can have it right now.
we just got home and we just getting it together.
Eat your fucking food.
Okay.
Can you not cuss on my channel? Thanks. Barbecue.
What the heck?
Don't get married. Like, you see, he's flipping me off if y'all can see this. Nah, marriage is good. Okay, but yeah. Anyways, I'm depressed. Postpartum is really kicking my butt right now, so bear with me. But y'all, look it. Hold on. It's a feather in my chicken.
Where?
Coronavirus. That's what that is.
Oh, bad.
Can you stay out of my video? I'm not talking to you, Leonard.
Mom, there's hot sauce in my chicken strip.
How's the hot sauce in the chicken strip?
Can you not see the rest?
Why are you talking in her video?
It's fine. They gave her spicy. Mary did that to you one time. They ended up giving her, oh my God, they gave her spicy chicken strips. But anyways, do y'all use jalapenos with y'all chicken? Please don't talk on the video then while I'm recording. This quarantine is so irritating. Because dude on the game the whole time. So irritating. Raise your hands who hate the video game. I do. Any other wives hate the video game? Hate it.
Is that pepper? It's a jalapeno.
For real?
Oh my God.
You about to think we just stop recording.
Yeah. Delete that clip.
No, you.
Asshole.
Ooh. I ain't eating no more chicken.
Alright, we're talking.
I need a napkin. I usually eat the chicken all the way off, but well, if it got feathers on it, you know. Thanks, my little helper. They want to be in the video so bad. But anyways, yeah, I'm so stressed out. Like, I'm so stressed out. Like, this coronavirus. This coronavirus is just. But this coronavirus is just. It's like tearing me into little pieces. Like, I don't know who else, if it's affecting anybody else, but it's really affecting me. Like, birthday plans gonna be canceled. Can't go see my sisters. Like, who told this to come here? Like, how did this happen? Oh, I know. It happened because you guys don't listen. Should have stayed in the house when they told us to. I just choked on something. Something sharp. Oh, God. That's not good. I'm going to sue Popeyes. But anyways, I ain't got no topic today. I'm just kind of irritated. And Popeyes failed me. The food is absolutely disgusting.
Huh?
But I'm just eating it because what part of chicken do you guys usually like? What part do you guys usually eat? This is a breast. And like I told y'all, I got half spicy, half spicy, half mild. It actually tastes like the onion rings are spicy too. They're kind of on the hot side. Ooh, that's hot. But usually from Popeyes, I usually get the 3 wings and a jalapeno. But we got this like $10 box, and it's worth it. You know, you like get the 2 biscuits, and you get the 2 biscuits, you get 2 sides, and like I think 5 pieces of chicken. Then I got a drink with it. So I usually, well, I got that. It was a good deal. So my nose is running. I'm running out of ideas on what to do. I'm trying to figure out what I should do for a mukbang. What should I eat next? And you know, I really leave me comments and tell me what I should do. I need some pointers, some ideas, something. Cause I'm getting bored just eating. I'm gonna be big as a house if I keep eating. So, but yeah, I need pointers on what I should post about. The chicken is not that good. It's just, I ain't really feeling that. I feel like just, yeah, so the Popeyes chicken is not all that good. Like, I feel like Popeyes is overrated. Okay, people, I be seeing all y'all do mukbangs on Popeyes, and y'all be looking like, it be looking so good when y'all be eating it. And then I go buy it, and it's nasty. I'm not really feeling it. The fries wasn't fresh. It was just like, eh. I mean, no, I'm just playing. But it was just, it ain't all that. It ain't all that today. Maybe because the coronavirus and all that's going on, they not really making food how they supposed to. But I'm not really feeling it. So I'm eat the biscuit. I like the biscuits. So they putting jelly and stuff on it. But the chicken just ain't all that. But I hope everybody is having a good day. I'm finally done with school. And it seems like my break from school is real short. Like, I just got an email saying that class is starting on the 30th of March. I'm like, the last day was just yesterday. How are we already starting classes all over again? Spring term. I'm taking 4 classes. Spring term. 4 online classes. So bear with me. But yeah. All it takes is 14 days, y'all. So just stay in the house and just do what the people tell y'all to do. So we can everybody can get better as a whole. If we keep leaving the house, we just gonna keep spreading. It's gonna keep spreading, keep spreading, keep spreading. Eventually, the whole population gonna be wiped out. We all gonna be wiped out. Y'all just keep leaving the house. People just hard-headed though. And yeah, we might get big sitting in the house because we eating so much. But after this is all over, I'm hoping to see all y'all in the gym, getting lit, getting fit. But you can always do workouts at home. That's always things to do. You just gotta know what to do. But yeah. Just wanted to check in with you guys today. I've been a little down, so I wanted to just check in with my subscribers and with my viewers. I like calling y'all viewers. I don't like calling y'all subscribers because I don't know. I just don't like the word. But I just want to check in with you guys today because I'm feeling down. I need some words of encouragement. Please drop some down below to help me get through the rest of this week. I am not feeling it at all. I feel like I'm getting sick. Just postpartum. My kids unappreciative. Husband unappreciative. Just all that. You know, all that.
That's a lie.
And they stay out of my video, y'all. But they say it, but they is. They you know, it's not cool. I done turned into Molly the maid, Poop the chef. What else did I turn into? Man, I'm telling you, my kids been out of school since like last Thursday. So we've been in the house for a good 10 days almost, I think. No, 7, 8 days, something like that. And I'm like, hey, every day is getting worse. It ain't getting no better. We used to, but it's like, I'm just like, God. Usually I can go out and run and get my toes done and do some me time. I can't do that. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. So yeah, I'm a little depressed. Probably isolate myself for a couple of days in the room. Lock the door. If I don't post for a couple of days, that's why. But yeah, y'all leave me some words of encouragement. I need them right now real bad. But thank you for watching my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Have a good evening.